Hey folks, Don DeRosa here. I wanted to take a quick second and tell you about an event that I'm having this weekend, and I wanted to personally invite you to. It is going to be a subject to event with a wraparound mortgage infusion, if you will. We're going to be talking about how to do all the paperwork that goes into a subject to, because one of the things that we're experiencing right now is everybody wants to learn how to do subject to, and the problem I see is you're listening to people online trying to figure this out, and what's going to happen is you're going to screw it up, plain and simple. So I'm putting together an event. We've already done subject to earlier in the year, but I feel the need to do another one here and go more of a deep dive into the paperwork and insurance and how to put it all together so that you don't really get yourself in trouble. So I want to personally invite you. It's going to be Saturday from 9 o'clock in the morning till 5 p.m. And we're not going to cover a lot of marketing, a lot of what I call the fluff stuff on the front end. It's going to be all subject to pretty much all day, like all the ins and outs of it. We will talk a little bit about marketing. We're going to talk a little bit about due diligence and what you should be doing, how to negotiate with the homeowner. But beyond that, it's going to be all paperwork and how to do that, what kind of insurance you should have, so on and so forth. So we're going to get very, very detailed into this. So click on the link wherever it is and sign up, because we probably won't do this event for probably another year. But it is an absolute must-attend event if you want to thrive going forward, because everything is heading towards owner finance. So I'm seeing tons and tons of people making offers out there for owner finance. Problem is they don't know how to structure them. They don't know how to handle objections. So we're going to be covering all of that on Saturday. So click on the link and I will see you on Saturday. Thank you very much. Have a good day.